And mga kainday, this lady is my friend from Ethiopia, but she's very beautiful. Look at her. Her hair is very, very beautiful. O, diba? Mga kainday, iyan ang mga kakaibabuhok. Gusto ko, Heidi, I like your hair. Let's change. You see, very beautiful. This is original hair. Original hair of the very beautiful Ethiopian lady. Look at this. You see, but if you put the iron, this is very long. See? But her face is very beautiful. Can I see the back? O yan, mga kainday, nakita nyo na yung original na buhok ng Ethiopia, di ba? Kaya ang 5 tao. Ito po. Can dance? Also the something. Her name is Heidi. How old are you, Heidi? How old are you? 32. No. Ayan, mga kainday, yung kaibigan ko dito. Very beautiful. Sige na mga kainday, ingat po tayo palagi. Bye-bye. Thank you, Heidi.